We're back with more wild wrecks, aggressive drivers, Corvette smashes, and teenager crashes. It's all coming up in today's episode of
Bad Drivers Worldwide. We hope you subscribe.
PETA was approaching an intersection in Phoenix. As they were stopping for a red light, they witnessed a crazy wreck. An older gentleman in a car turned left with a yellow light and got T-boned by an oncoming semi-truck. Thankfully, the car driver was conscious and able to walk to the gurney, while the trucker was uninjured. What car was the gentleman driving, you might ask? CaptainShiryu was driving in San Diego when he watched a Tesla run a red light and T-bone a Corvette with a green light. The impact sent the Corvette spinning out and end up in the oncoming lanes, backwards. CaptainShiryu didn't share any other info about this wreck. Hopefully, everyone was okay. Speaking of bad Tesla drivers, this Redditor watched a Model 3 driver attempt to pass a white pickup using a double yellow line. The pickup driver reacted by almost sideswiping the Tesla. By the Redditor's words, the pickup driver was being aggressive even before this incident. Thankfully, he didn't mention any collisions. This Redditor shared the footage of a witness after his fiance's car was totaled by a teenager running a stop sign. Let's see it. Airbags in both vehicles deployed. Cops showed up but seemed to know the teenager's family and didn't really do anything. They just gave the Redditor the teenager's insurance info. Thankfully, they paid for everything. Mogley was driving in Pittsburgh when a Honda driver began making an illegal U-turn in front of him. Thankfully, this illegal maneuver didn't result in a collision. Ironically, this happened right next to a no U-turn sign. Killstar almost watched two people get run over by a car. Thankfully, the car driver braked in time to avoid a fatal collision. Killstar doesn't think this was ever reported. Dark Warrior is back with another video. This time, a Mercedes driver lost control on the cursed corner and collided with a pole. After the collision, the Merc driver moved their car into a sidewalk. I guess he got what he deserved for speeding. When a van driver stopped to let Brum Kid pass, an entitled Jaguar driver sped past the van before shouting to Brum Kid that he was in the wrong. The Jaguar driver also got out of their vehicle, but thankfully, Brum Kid got out of the way immediately. Wait, I recognize both this jingle and these front stairs. A Honda lost control and hit a parked car. Then the driver took off, turning this collision into a hit and run. Dark Warrior's security camera recorded the hit-and-run accident, but not the Honda's plates. This Redditor was driving in Dallas when a Nissan driver forgot how to yield to their right-of-way. Thankfully, this was only a close call. The sound you hear is one of the Redditor's passengers dropping their smartphone when he swerved to avoid a collision. The fun part about this video is the Mickey Mouse commentary.